You're probably watching this video because you have lost a lot of money in the forex market, and you are among the 95% of traders who lose money every single day to the market. People who have failed at trading always say trading is a scam or trading is not real. Everything is real and we don't do demo accounts. We trade to make money, okay? Don't be that trader who trades demo account all the time. Trading demo account is not gonna get you anywhere, because even if you place 20 perfect trades, you still earn zero. And when you get into the market, make sure you have these rules in place before you do anything. My name is Real Swaib and I trade sometimes. Rule number 1, have a trading strategy. Don't trade with your emotions. Rule number 2, have a rule-based strategy. Have your strategy that has some rules. Just take a piece of paper and write down the rules. Like for my strategy, my rule number 1 is I activate indicators. Rule number 2 is I analyze the markets. And rule number 3, I make sure I turn on the AI that gives me signal. And then number 4 is I place the trades. Okay? Now, if all these rules have not been met, I will not place the trade. You have placed a trade on EURUSD on your laptop. You take your phone, you see an opportunity maybe on gold, and then you place another trade on gold. Before you know it, you have almost 20 trades that are open, and before you even realize it, the market has already blown your account. You see, things like that. And then traders like those, I always tell them, don't even worry, because the market will just close the trade for you. It's going to crash you and it will crash your balance. Okay? So a rules-based strategy will take you from an emotional trader to a systematic trader. You'll be following systems. Make sure you just take a piece of paper and write down the rules, and make sure you stick by those rules anytime you are trading. Another thing you need to understand is that risk management is more important. Risk management. Risk management. How can you manage your risk? That will determine how long you're going to stay in the market. Let's say, for example, you are placing a trade for 50 USD with a probability of making 200 USD. Okay? If you win 6 trades and you lose 4 trades, you will automatically have 2 profitable trades. Okay? Because you won 6 trades and you lost 4 trades. So your risk management has to be where if you are risking 1% of your account, you will be able to return almost 4%. So that when you win 1 trade, you are still in the market and you have almost 4 trials again to win the market. Now you have leverage, because leverage is what will help you most importantly in your risk management, and it will help you also with your trading psychology, because you know I don't need to win all trades. So even if you lose a trade, you don't panic. I told you I'm going to show you how you can relax while trading. Don't panic while trading. Okay? I think you have understood risk management. It's that simple. I know some people, they like watching so many videos from so many other people about trading and they don't take any action. So this is what I can tell you. You can say, oh, the things that you are saying in this video are basic. Yes, everything is always back to the basics. You cannot reinvent the wheel. The forex market is the biggest market in the world. This thing has been running for so many years. You just come in, find a trend, get in the trend, make money, get out. We don't trade for fun. That's why I tell you, never trade demo account. And by the way, if you have watched this video until this point, I want to tell you that you can get more value in the Telegram channel. I just created a new Telegram channel, and if you have watched this long, I know you're going to love it inside there. And I give free signals every day only for the people in the Telegram channel. Now this is very important because it will determine, even if you win your trade, how long will it take you for you to get your money. And that's why the broker you use is very important. You know, the forex market, you cannot just go to the bank and trade the forex market from the bank. That's why you need a broker where you can trade and make money. Make sure you avoid all the shady brokers. And there's only one broker that I can say is legit. I've also made trades you've seen in some of my videos, like in the video where I turned $10 into $150. I showed how all the trades were there, and the withdrawal was very fast. You can withdraw to M-Pesa, you can withdraw even to your Binance account directly in crypto. Okay, so the broker that I use is not a shady broker. It's a legit broker that you can feel comfortable working with, because you know, even if you win a lot of money, let's say you win 20,000 USD, you'll still be able to withdraw that money. Okay, and this broker is called Olive Trade. Okay, I'll put the link in the description. Make sure you create a trading account, and I can advise you to watch my video right here about how I turned $10 into $150, because the strategy that I use is a strategy that is proven. And if you want me to make an update video, for those who have already watched that video, I'll make an update video. Or maybe if you want me to turn that $150 maybe into, let's say, $1,000, I can do a video like that if we get more comments in this video. If you get 100 likes in this video, I'm going to create a video where I turn 150 USD into 1,000. If I don't succeed, I'll give $1,000 to one of my subscribers. Okay, so make sure we get around 100 likes in this video. So make sure you watch my videos. I'll be dropping videos so that you can learn more about trading, and also make sure you click the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm. And if you focus on the things I just told you, just know that you are going to make good money trading forex. And there's a lot of money in the forex market. You cannot say that there's no money in the forex market, because there's billions and billions of transactions happening every single day.